Hey guys, today I'm going to be testing out this mold stain cleaner, and I received this from the brand to try out. So I have a sink here that is pretty dirty and it's got some stains, and I'm going to see if it works. All right, so here are the active ingredients, how to use it, using a well-ventilated area. You got to wait 12 to 24 hours and then wipe it clean afterwards. And all right, let's give it a shot. Here's everything it comes with. It's got 2 bottles. We got these little caps on the end and this brush. Okay, so I just gotta unscrew this top part, and then you have that. And then I'm just going to apply right on there. It says 3mm thick. I'm not exactly sure how thick that is, but I'm just gonna have a guess here. Just apply a little liberally here, go all around. There we go. And then over here. And then I'm just gonna do down here for good measure as well. Okay, let's go ahead and give it 12 to 24 hours, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. All right, it's a day later, and you can see a major difference from before. And this is before scrubbing it. Let me go ahead and scrub it off a little bit and see how it looks after that. All right, let's get in here. Oh yeah, you can see it coming off too, see? Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, and here's the final result compared to what it looked like before. It looks pretty good. There is a little bit left over right here and right here, but I think I could just reapply maybe a little bit more and it should do the trick. But hope you all found this helpful. Have a great one. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.